Well, I'm out here on the scoots, on the e-bullet. Not too stealthy. I'm lit, so I ain't hiding. And I'm just out here, it's after midnight. And I'm just admiring this tree and what's going on. It's been chopped to bits by some idiot, but it's quite amazing what's happening. I'll definitely be back to capture this, but there's a worm here doing its own thing. Pretty crazy. Another crazy feature of this same tree. Termite. Oh, something dropped on me. Never know if it's a tick. You got to jump. Something else just hit me. But a beautiful termite nest in the walk of that tree. Might have just been rain.